How's everybody doing? Spike here, the Frugal Fixer, in the shop today doing a little work on the guitars. Yeah, gonna show you the top on this one that I done yesterday. Check this out. Now that's a top. It's gonna be glued onto a base. So we're gonna find a base to glue it onto. That's a streak in the wood right there. It's not a crack. So anyway, that's what that one's going to be. So it's going onto a base. You got to put a piece of 1.25 inch wood behind that. So I got to find something to put behind it. So that's where that one's going. What do you think? Pretty sharp, huh? Maple and black walnut. So next one is, this is black walnut. All black walnut on the front. The back of it is a piano. Yep, the veneer off of a piano is what we got right there. So anyway, the standard little shape I do here. Little curve, make a curve in my guitars. So anyway, that was that one. And then I've got, this one is made all out of piano wood. It come out really, really nice. It's in good shape. I done sanded it a little more and got it ready for my buddy Dale to put a paint job on it. So Dale, come see me get a paint job on there, brother. Okay, what we're going to do, I got some new clamps that I made today. I'd seen something like it, but not exactly, but you know how it is. I got to adapt. So I adapted and made these clamps for myself. So I'm going to run these boards up and glue them up right quick and show you how my clamps work. And the clamps I build, I'll kind of explain the clamps as we go too, I guess is what I'll be doing. So let me get the camera on in here a little tighter. Okay, you won't be able to see me, but that's okay. You'd rather see the camera anyway. Okay, what we got is I've got a piece of unistrut and I got a block of wood that's stuck in it. So I've got a bolt, piece of unistrut, goes down in this piece of unistrut here, and there's a block of wood inside of here. Oh, you can see the one in here easier. Let me show it to you. So you just drop the peg in there, same on this side. Here's little blocks of wood. They go inside and they keep it from rocking when you lock it together. So I'll show you what it does. This end over here, what I did is I made this, and it's a block of wood that's stuck on there pretty darn good right now. Anyway, block of wood with a little bushing in it. 1 inch, a 3/4 bolt with a nut. I drilled through it, threaded it with a 3/8 tap. So that makes an adjuster to where I can put pressure on this to put pressure on it. So what we do is we put that right there. We drop that one in that hole right there and it'll be ready. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and make everything up and glue it. And then after I get it all made up, we'll slide it in here and put it together right quick, okay? So let's see how this goes. See if I can get it all figured out right quick. Oh, man, have I got a towel anywhere? I need a rag, man. I know. I'm going to get it all over me. Woo! What a mess. Okay, there's that where I can wipe my hand on it when I get ready. So let's put some wood together. If you're going to do this, you always use your pinky finger. You know why? Because as sure as the world, if the phone rings or something, you're going to have to go get it. And if you only cover your pinky finger with glue, well, you can still go answer your telephone. So just think that's a pretty good idea, so y'all know about that. That's why I use my pinky finger to spread the glue around like this. It don't matter if I get a little extra out on this one, because the good thing about these frames, with them being metal instead of wood, is if you So if you get it on your finger there, you can get it off. What I've done is I took these boards, I cut them in the radial arm saw, and then I run them across this little 4-inch joiner right over here that my buddy Chuck hooked me up with. Uh-oh, I'm making a mess. Always do. I ain't never put glue on when I didn't make a mess, guys. Sorry about that. Good thing is, ain't nothing gonna show after we get done. There won't be a lot of wood left. Yeah, won't be a lot of wood left. So now we're gonna roll this one here, go that one there, go those two. Okay, next one here, we're gonna roll over this way. And here we go, get a little glue spread around. Stick that one to that one. Okay, get another one. Okay, I guess y'all might be wondering what kind of wood we're working with here. This is a piece of black walnut I got in my hand right now. And there's a couple of different kinds of maple in here. So it's going to be a really heavy guitar. There's no doubt about that. It's going to be one of them sit-down guitars for sure. Especially for us old guys, you know. We don't play standing up anymore anyway. But let me get this all spread around. That old finger works pretty good, you know. So okay, we'll stick that one right there. Lay the next one over. Now I'm just using Type Bond Premium because that's what I had. I use regular Type Bond most of the time, to be honest. But this is what the wife picked up when she went and picked up for me. She thought I needed the better stuff, so I'll have to take it and use it. I darn sure wasn't going to argue about it once she got it here. Okay, get the glue spread around there good. Okay, got a good nice layer. Stack that one right there with those. Next one. This will be the last one. Get glue. I've made that mistake before, putting glue on that and on the end it doesn't get glue. That's a stupid idea, but I've done it. Okay, I'm going to take y'all along the venture on this one, I think, from start to finish in the next day or so here. So we're going to start here. We're going to work our way through. Probably ought to get me some little brushes to put this on with. Y'all want to hook me up? Somebody hook me up with a brush. I'll start using it. Get this going, real nice layer of glue so we can get a good setup. Make sure we get all the way to the edge. Even though a lot of that's going to be cut, we still want a good glue joint. We're going to turn that one that way. We're going to take this one and go right up against here like this. We'll line everybody up nice and square. Now, take this bolt and drop it in this hole right here. And this bolt right here drops in this hole right here. Now, I got a chunk of maple to stick in here to get a little pressure on these. Trying to get them filled in. And then I'm going to line these up the best I can. Now, we take this and it goes right on top of here like this, guys. If I can see what I'm doing. I need to drill holes out a little bigger. Make this work a little better. There's one. There's two. Okay, now I think I'm going to use this end here to get us all squared up. Get us a nice square on this end so it'll be flat. Okay, that looks pretty good. Now, time to put the squeeze on it. Let's see how this new vise works. We got the wood end, we got the block end. Let's tighten up on this side here. I guess I could make it a little easier for y'all to see what I'm doing. Let me try that. Okay, check it out. You run the bolt in, and it pushes that little block up against your blocks like this. Push everything down flat on the bottom because that's where we want it, flat to the bottom. We're going to snug that up just a little bit. Now we're going to get the other one and do it. Uh-oh. Jumped out the hole there. Let's start over. Don't want to jump, don't want to mess ourselves up. Okay. Let's see what this does. Yep. 9/16. Oops, a little better shot at it. Yeah, it'll stick. Yep, I need to make those little adjuster holes in there a little bit bigger, something to go to. Well, let's see how that's looking. Man, I got glue shooting out through all the cracks and crevices. Check it out. Pretty good push. All the seams seem to be really pushed together good here. Got a lot of nice glue push out. Same on the top. I think I might throw another extra clamp on the top of it to be safe. We got one of these big ones here. Let's put one of these up. Put one right in the center. I'm gonna make another one of these. I only made two, but I'm definitely gonna make some more. I don't know if I needed that or not, but I figured I'd put it on for safety. Everything looks pretty darn good. All nice and square and straight. Yep. I think we got her, folks. We're ready to trim the final size and okay. So Trim that down to final size tomorrow after the glue sets up, and spin it around, chop it up a little bit on the edges, and true it up. Put it on the CNC machine and make another guitar. And don't think I hadn't thought about necks, because I have. I got a stack of maple over there, and I'm fixing to start learning to make necks. So that's the next thing coming. So anyway, we get some good bodies out, then we'll start on some necks, and we'll get it all done. Eventually, we'll cut some fingerboards too. So anyway, hey, thanks for dropping in the Frugal Fixer Shop. I've just been doing what I do around here as the normal thing goes, and we got our glue up done. And you can see the glue running out the ends of it. We probably pretty tight there. So I think my clamps are a success, I have to say. They sure feel like they were really on there tight. So, hey, that's the best I can hope for. Been a long day in the shop. I guess y'all can see it's dusty. I better go inside and wash it off because there ain't no dusting this off. Y'all be good. Hey, see you next time. Come on by the Frugal Fixer Shop. Later. Spike.